This is Mandy Patara. I'm here in Canada since 8 years, and my background is totally different from like in the medical line. I did master in IT. Yes, and this is a huge change in my life. I turned over the medical line because the thing is that due to the COVID, I noticed that because it's very hard to getting a job, and the medical is the line where it's never stop. It's always demanding, and I feel more job security in this line. There's so many colleges here who are providing you PSW certificate and diplomas, but I chose Anderson because Anderson College is not providing only certificate but also helping you after you done your exam or your certificate. Then they give to you the helping find out the jobs and prepare you in the real world how you working. That's why I choose the Anderson, because I am very compassionate, helping people who are not able to work their daily activities. So I want to make a reason a smile of these peoples. Anderson is incredible. I would say, I never ever hesitate to explore. The Anderson is amazing staff member, the administration, and we has a very knowledgeable instructor. I always appreciate her because she is always encourage us to do the best that we can do in our life. When I'm thinking about the PSW, I did call to the Anderson, and Vic Sharma is the member of the administration. He encouraged me. I can do it if I want a better futures. He explained me everything, and he gave me a time. You can think about it twice because you are, switching your career. And I wanna say big thanks because he guided me proper way. If you have a personality you are compassionate, you have a flexible and you have empathy and you wanna help peoples that are in the deep grief and they are not able to working themselves, then PSW is the best job, and you can pursue your passion and you are earning to survive. So that's my advice. If you have a personality like this, you definitely choose PSW.